project timeline is of great importance in the field of project management. Some of them are: it allows the manager to get his work arranged and organized in an efficient way. It displays very clearly all the duration of the tasks from starting point till the end. You can view easily the deadline of each task. It is helpful in determining the progress of each task related to the project. Project Progress Report Template. It allows you to identify the dependencies which make your work much easier. The breakdown of work into smaller components makes it easier to handle the tasks. It is helpful in identifying the team members and the roles and responsibilities assigned to the team members. The Project Timeline template is the most effective template for this purpose. It is a very user-friendly template and can download from the internet. You can customize your template by adding the number of columns according to the number of tasks included in your project. It will be very beneficial in leading your project towards success.